Hello everyone, wedding directory couple website feature release it. How to install wedding directory couple website feature. First of all, log in your WordPress, go to dashboard, wedding directory setting page, purchase code verification, uh, this button refresh. If you can't see, make sure you are working with the latest version of wedding directory product. How to check we are working with the latest version of wedding directory product? You can click here, check for update. Yes, the wedding directory core plugin is up to date. That means you are working with the latest version of wedding directory product plugins. Okay, most of okay, all plugins updated perfectly. Okay, so right now you can refresh, you can click on the refresh button. This button is check the latest version, new features plugin is available with this product. Okay, I click on refresh. Yes, plugin is updated in database. Go to dashboard, you will get the notification on top admin bar, wedding directory couple website. You can install and activate it. Okay, you can activate it. Okay, plugin is activated. Today, 16 July, I updated Wedding Directory Core plugin for the refresh button to check the latest version of features plugin. Couple wedding website feature initial release, um, Google Map wedding website script added, leaflet plugin. This type of update you will get on plugin page. So make sure you are working with the latest version of plugin. Okay. This is the website custom post type. You can click here. All couple data is updated. For example, Hitesh and Priyanka. Okay, Hitesh and Priyanka. This is real wedding page. When you install the wedding website feature, you can just view. By default, content is static. Uh, uh, okay, you must be check the permalink structure setting, permalink structure, post name, save it. Okay, this page I close it, and again the refresh page. Okay, right now I click the view Priyanka and Hitesh in website post view. Perfect. Also, couple can easy to access this page. Events, groomsman, bridesman. Okay, we check right now. If existing couple can log in, then it's working. Couple login successfully. Yes, perfect. I can see wedding website features here. I click here. Perfect. Wedding directory product all couple user can easy to access wedding website feature. Add a new story. Story title, story date, couple counter image, groomsman, add a groom, bridesman, add a bride, couple gallery. You can easy to choose the couple gallery, testimonial. This is even testimonial event, footer image. All is done. Thank you.